peeking. Let's wait, she's getting braver. She's paying attention to everything that moves around here. There we go. You can see better now. What is that over there? Not too sure. I think I'm gonna creep up over near to it, but I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure what that is. What is that? I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna grab it a couple of times. I think I'm going to just stand right here and look right at it, and now's a not. Not too sure about that thing, but I need to go over and check that out again and see what's going on with that. What was all that noise about? If I just stand really still, I should get out of here. Not too sure about that. I'll just sit here and look at it for a little bit. Hi. I think I can sneak up on it now. Is a good time. Yeah, that was a really good time.